Hi guys, my name is Samantha and welcome to my game. Ano tayo sang... Hindi ko alam ito. Dito tayo. Be careful lang. Op. Oh. Shout out pala kay Play of L or Boss L. Whoop. Ay. Woo. Uy. Kinabahan ako doon, guys. Portal. Ayun, kuhang-kuha. Oh, salamat. Ako ba ito? Guys, ako. Huh? Guys, nalilito na ba ako? Tignan nyo guys, oh! Wala siya. Anda dito. Wala. Egg-pour! Bala natin. Put natin dito. Ready, get set. Go. Oh! Ay. Okay lang yan, guys. Ano pala yung favorite color nyo, guys? Sa akin, black at saka purple. At saka ang kaparehas kay Kirby. Marad din. Okay. Dami mangga. Okay. Oh. Guys. Bakit ako namatay? Bahala na nga dyan. Ito tayo. Diba guys, silapan natin na tapos ito. Tapusin natin ito. Oops. Well, draw. Ay, bawal pala siya. Whoops. Magaling kasi ako dito, guys. Ooh, diba? Sabi ko naman sa iyo, eh. Slap natin siya. Ooh! Kinabahan ako dun. Uy. Ay, si Kalbo andito. Ano guys. Okay. Whoops. Oh, diba? Sabi ko naman sa iyo, eh. Hala. Diba guys? Wala ko ginagamit yung portal gun. Whoops. Wow! Diba? Okay. Whoa, I'm here. Oh, lapit! Lapit naman tayo, guys. So, oops. Oh, it's yum. So yummy, so easy. So easy, so yummy. Alam nyo, guys, alam ko kung paano magsaot ng manok shake brings of boys farm a like it's better than yours, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to church. Alam nyo din, guys, comment down below. Sa green section. Oops, where should we go? Ay, dito pala, sorry. Whoops! Meron pala invisible dito, guys. With the anon. Oops. Sandali lang, guys. Whoops. Ala, nakikita ko na yung finish line. Jump. Pew. Oh. Oops.
Cheeseburger.
Oops. This is super scary. Ay, Tagalog pala ako nun. Nag-i-English kasi ako. At saka nag-Tagalog. Woo! It was because I was slow, watching her kiss again. Hey, when I go, I don't know how to believe I was a queen that I'm meant to be. At least till I try to keep it back. I can't find a place. Gonna let just one cut to wow. I'm gonna play to watch you on stage. I'm gonna hide now, shining like a butterfly. Oh, wow, winter now, they're so nice and bumalik naman tayo. O, diba? I'm not hiding now. Well, I'm shining like a butterfly. Oh, well, it's shining now. Let's see. So nice and sweet, butterfly. You know, gonna be golden, no take it gonna. Gonna be golden, no take it gonna. You know, next time now, it's oh, lapit na lang tayo, guys. Salamat. First time ko pala tapos ng ng True Tower. Diretso. Oh. Salamat. You win. I win. Oh. Sorry. I'm sorry because ay, kala ko meron ditong number. Ano ba ito? Ay, kala ko may number yun. Wala pala. Okay lang na. Kita naman tayo, guys. Ay. First winner. I'm the winner of the queen. Sandali lang, guys. Sorry, guys. Late ako. Kasi ginagawa pa ako eh. Ano ba ito? Napatay naman ako. So guys, bye. Mamaya naman tayo. Anong hampanginta? Comment down below. Bye.